Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin, Ethereum Classic, currently trading for $36. Ethereum Classic set an all-time high on the 4th of May 2021. And guys, since then, Ethereum Classic dumped more than 92%. It went to as low as $12. Right now, we're having a rally in the altcoin market. Altcoins are pumping really hard. Ethereum Classic has gone from as low as $12 to as high as $43. That's returned over 238%. Guys, how high can Ethereum Classic go in this relief rally? Are we going to set new all-time highs? Where are we going to find huge resistance? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. We'll also be looking at Ethereum Classic performance against Bitcoin. Will Ethereum Classic continue to outperform Bitcoin? Also be looking at Ethereum Classic performance against Ethereum. Should we start flipping our Ethereum right now for some Ethereum Classic? And then guys, we'll take a look at Ethereum Classic market cap. Currently, it's at $4.9 billion. At the top of the bull run, it got to as high as $18 billion. How high can it go in this relief rally? How low will it go in the bear market if we're going to continue dumping? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money long term trading, investing or holding Ethereum Classic during the bear market, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, the altcoin market is rallying really hard. Lido Dio is up 242% in the last 1 month. Rose is up 99%. Celsius is up 91%. Flow is up 72%. And guys, Ethereum Classic is up 129% in the last 1 month. We're having a green week in the altcoin market also. So guys, how high can Ethereum Classic go in this relief rally? In the last 1 year, Ethereum Classic is down 41.4%. In the last 1 month, Ethereum Classic has rallied really hard. It's up over 129%. In the last 1 week, Ethereum Classic is up 8.6%. So the million-dollar question, should we start buying some Ethereum Classic right now, even though it has pumped? And how high will it go in this relief rally? Guys, we use the Fibonacci Retracement tool from the top of Ethereum Classic that came in on the 4th of May 2021 to the bottom for Ethereum Classic that we have right now, assuming this is the bear market bottom at $12.67. We can see that the first resistance level Ethereum Classic will need to clear if we're going to be setting higher prices in this relief rally is the $47 region. And guys, you can see that this $47 region is a very telling point for Ethereum Classic because price has reacted to that region quite a number of times. In 2021, when we were rallying to all-time highs, we got stopped out of that region. We had to gather ourselves, consolidate before we broke into new all-time highs. And you can see that throughout 2021, we are ranging above that $47 region and below there. Finally, we broke below it and we are not able to reclaim it from November 2021 till March 2022 when we had a rally that took us from when Russia invaded Ukraine. That was in February 2022. Ethereum Classic went from as low as $21 to as high as $47. Ethereum Classic gained more than 100% in just 66 days. But after that rally, guys, Ethereum Classic dumped really hard. We went straight to $12. Ethereum Classic lost 75% of its value. Right now, we're rallying and it looks as if we're heading towards our first resistance level. At some point in time, guys, expect Ethereum Classic's price to interact with this $47 region. Are we going to break through it or are we going to get rejected of that region? Only time will tell. And consider this Fibonacci Retracement tool is showing us other important resistance level Ethereum Classic will need to pass. The next level after $46 is the $68 level. And you can see that we have been stopped out of that $68 level twice already. If we can pass it, maybe just maybe we might get a 702 retracement on Ethereum Classic that will take us over $100. And if by some magic we can go over $100, guys, it will be very short work and very light work for us to get to new all-time highs. Right now, the RSI for Ethereum Classic has popped above the overbought region and looks as if maybe it's going to start crashing on itself with the price. Only time will tell. Let's take a look at some technical details about Ethereum Classic before we look at how it's performing against Bitcoin and against Ethereum. Currently, Ethereum Classic has a market cap of $5 billion, a fully diluted market cap of $5.8 billion. We have 210 million maximum supply of Ethereum Classic, and we have over 136 millions of those coins in circulation already. That's 65% of the maximum supply. And guys, Ethereum Classic currently ranked number 19 on CoinMarketCap. We have over 342,000 people that have Ethereum Classic on their watch list right now. So where can you get some Ethereum Classic in the bear market if you want to hold some throughout the bear market? Guys, you can get Ethereum Classic on Binance, on Git.io, on Coinbase, on Coin1, on Qcoin, and anywhere you get your favorite altcoins, Ethereum Classic is pretty popular. Let's take a look at how Ethereum Classic is performing against the two biggest cryptocurrencies in the market. How is it performing against Bitcoin, and how is it performing against Ethereum? Against Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic has been rallying hard against Bitcoin from the bottom. For Ethereum Classic that came in 2022 right here, Ethereum Classic has rallied more than 180% against Bitcoin. Guys, if you look at Ethereum's price history, you see that over time, yes, Ethereum Classic used to rally hard against Bitcoin, but after each hard rally has against Bitcoin, a huge dump is on the way. When Ethereum Classic was launched right here in 2016, it rallied more than 700% against Bitcoin. After that, what happened? Ethereum Classic lost another 83%. In 2017, Ethereum Classic had another rally against Bitcoin. This time, it was a 921% rally. After that, what happened? Ethereum Classic started dumping from that all-time high Ethereum Classic had against Bitcoin in 2017. Guys, Ethereum Classic dumped for more than 3 years. Ethereum Classic in 1,300 days, Ethereum Classic lost more than 98% of its value. Guys, you want to be careful with altcoins during the bear market. Yes, they can pump really hard to the upside, but when they are dumping, the dump is very brutal. In the 2021 bull run, when altcoins were going crazy, guys, Ethereum Classic pumped really well to the upside. Ethereum Classic returned over 1,500% to investors that flipped their Bitcoin for some Ethereum Classic just before the altcoins started going crazy. But when the market started dumping, just like before, Ethereum Classic dumped again. Why am I showing you all this Ethereum Classic price history against Bitcoin? Is because, guys, we should not be fooled by this rally. After this rally is over, we might see Ethereum Classic dumping against Bitcoin. History has shown that, yes, Ethereum Classic pump harder than Bitcoin when the market is pumping, but when the market is dumping, it dump harder than Bitcoin. I just hope we're not getting this kind of rally we had in January 2020, where Ethereum Classic rallied really hard. A lot of people thought the bear market was over. Ethereum Classic went up 179%, and then we dumped Goblin Town. So where we dumped till January 2021. Ethereum Classic lost 86% of its value then. Right now, it looks as if history repeating itself. Ethereum Classic has pumped more than 200%. Are we going to set a new all-time high for Ethereum Classic against Bitcoin? Only time will tell right now. Guys, if we look at the Wall Street cheat sheet, psychology of a market cycle, and the first part is showing us what happens during the bull run when everybody's buying. There's hope, there's belief, there's optimism, there's thrill, and there's euphoria. But the second phase of the psychology of a market cycle is during the bear market. There's always anxiety, denial, panic, capitulation, anger, and depression. And right now, it looks as if Ethereum Classic is in that first phase of where we just left capitulation. Looks like capitulation was $12. We're getting that rally after capitulation. Are we going to see depression and anger in Ethereum Classic? Only time will tell. I think Ethereum Classic is in this capitulation phase. You see, after capitulation, when people start getting out of the market, we have a little rally that goes here where people think we're going to the moon, and then we'll now come to set our new low. Is that what's happening with Ethereum Classic right now? Is this just a fake low for people to think maybe the bear market is over, and then we'll come and set the true low for Ethereum Classic? Because, guys, if Ethereum Classic doesn't hold $12 level, and you can see that $12 is pretty important for Ethereum Classic. If Ethereum Classic cannot hold this level, then maybe, just maybe, the next logical level Ethereum Classic will hold. That $7 is a very critical level. You can see that price has interacted quite a number of times for Ethereum Classic. In 2017, price found support around that range. Even in 2017, September, when we started dumping, we bounced off that region. And you can see that quite over the years, Ethereum Classic has been interacting with that region. So maybe, just maybe, if $13 doesn't hold for Ethereum Classic, we might get to see Ethereum Classic at $7.6. But I will not be placing all my chips that we might see Ethereum Classic at $7, because right now, maybe the bear market is over. Only time will tell. Another important factor, guys, you want to realize that during the bear market, a lot of people are expecting us to V-bottom out of here. The bear market is actually long. We have to go through anger, depression, and disbelief. Even though you take a look at Ethereum Classic price chart, you can see that during the 2018-2019 bear market, from the all-time high, Ethereum Classic took more than 800 days to find its true bottom. Will history repeat itself? Let's take a look at how Ethereum Classic is performing against Ethereum. Against Ethereum, Ethereum Classic has actually been rallying in the last 40 days. Ethereum Classic from December 2021 is still pumping against Ethereum. It has gone up more than 179% against Ethereum. But just like the Bitcoin pairing, when the market is rallying, Ethereum Classic rallies hard, but when it's dumping, it dumps very hard. From the all-time high for Ethereum Classic against Ethereum since August 2016, Ethereum Classic has not been able to set a new all-time high against Ethereum. It lost more than 98% of its value in 1,650 days, finally bottoming out on the 6th of February 2021. And since then, Ethereum Classic has been rallying. In 2021, it rallied well. It went up more than 700% against Ethereum. But guys, you need to keep this in mind that Ethereum is one of the strongest altcoins in the market. When the market pumps, Ethereum actually pumps well. Even though Ethereum Classic might pump harder than Ethereum, over the long haul, Ethereum Classic is losing value against Ethereum. So right now, we might keep dumping after this relief rally is over. You can see the last time we rallied really hard for Ethereum Classic against Ethereum. It dumped after that. I don't expect this time to be different. A lot of people say this time will be different, but I don't think that will happen. If we take a look at Ethereum's market cap, if you take a look at Ethereum Classic's market cap, it's at the previous all-time high we set in 2017. The all-time high we set in 2017 was around this $4.65 billion region. That's where Ethereum Classic's market cap is right now. It set an all-time high in 2021 of $18 billion. Can we go break new all-time highs during the bear market? History has suggested that anytime Ethereum Classic is breaking new all-time highs, we're in a bull run. So I don't think this time will be different. So maybe, just maybe, we might see Ethereum Classic dump lower. But right now, strong support for Ethereum Classic's market cap is at that $1.7 billion region. We want to see Ethereum Classic hold this region throughout the bear market. If not, maybe, just maybe, we might see Ethereum Classic trading for as low as $760 million. Only time will tell. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. What will you be doing to Ethereum Classic through the bear market? Will you be buying more Ethereum Classic right now? Or will you be selling to the pump, expecting lower prices? Or will you just be hodling through the chaos, waiting for the next bull run? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. 7, 1.